Welcome to Sabbatical Homes, a place for minds on the move. For over 25 years, Sabbatical Homes has been connecting academics worldwide to find and offer comfortable temporary homes for research stays, fellowships, relocations, sabbaticals, and more. We are a flexible resource with options for you to post your own home for rent or exchange while you're away, and maybe find a temporary home to stay in when you're traveling. What makes Sabbatical Homes special? Since 2000, we've had over 175,000 listings posted and thousands of housing matches all over the world. Currently, we have more than 11,000 active listings across 65 countries. And here's what really matters: 83% of our members are academically affiliated, meaning you're connecting with people who understand the unique needs of researchers and scholars. This is a community built by academics for academics. Getting started is easy. You'll start by registering, and once logged in, you'll see your alias. In this case, my alias is Isa. This dropdown is where you'll be able to access all of the information in your account, whether it's your trust score, listings, messages, matches, etc. It's important to go to My Profile and complete the steps here. You will earn trust points, and you'll find that other members are more likely to respond to your inquiries if you have done this. Only the fields that are marked with the little globe will display in your public profile. In the third tab, you may want to use a more general description to maintain your privacy. And once you've completed your public profile, click Save and Continue. You can view your profile to see how the information displays, as well as any references or reviews you may have in your account. If you're interested in searching on Sabbatical Homes for a home to rent or exchange, start by choosing the type of listing. In this case, I will be looking for a rental in Paris for this fall. So I'll choose my dates, starting August 30th and ending, let's say October 31st. Click search, and we'll see our search results. We've got about 113 possibilities here. I'm going to start adding some filters. To guests, I'll click in here. I'd like to look at all of these in one currency, as well as the price for the month. So I'm going to add that as to my search filters. And I'm interested in 1 or 2 bedroom places for this stay. I am open to house sitting, water plants, or pick up mail when needed. And I definitely want a furnished home. Many of our homes are furnished, but this is a way to ensure that all of the ones you're looking at are. So now I've got my filtered search results. This budget is a little bit higher in this one than what I have set aside. So I am going to sort by budget lowest to highest. And this is going to give me things that are a little bit better fit for what I can do. This one I have already added to favorites. And I can click on it here to see the listing. If everything looks good here, I can contact the other member right there. And I think I had a couple other ones. Yes, there's another one here. This one looks good. If I were really looking at this, I would take some time to, look through each of them, and maybe I would reach out to 2 or 3 of the other members while I'm logged in. Something else I'm going to do is I'm going to save this search. I'm going to call it Fall 2026 Going to Paris, because I'm excited. I will save that, and in a week or two, if I want, I could go back into my favorites or get to it from here, and I can rerun this search to see new listings that also fit my parameters. To post a listing, click here and select either Post a Home Listing or Post a Tenant Listing. We'll start with Home. For either type of listing, you need to read through and agree to our process. To post a home listing, you will select the type of arrangement, properties type, property size, location, etc. Click Save and Continue, and then work your way through the different sections. Here's a tip. Before you start, collect up to 10 photos of your home. Here's an example of a listing using the 3-photo layout with photos that are shot in a horizontal layout, which always shows up better on our display. Now, switching gears to the tenant listing. First, you'll agree to the terms. Next, you'll fill out the destination, dates, rental rates and terms, etc. Again, click Save and Continue, fill out all of the sections, and you will end up with a complete wish list of what you'd like for your stay. The advantage of posting a tenant listing is that it can save you time messaging back and forth. Here's an example of a tenant listing. And since this person has taken the time to outline their ideal place to stay, a member with a home listing can quickly tell if it's a good prospective match and save time back and forth messaging. Communication between members is one of the most important parts of Sabbatical Homes. Whether you're looking for a tenant or a place to stay, you'll start by searching for listings and contacting another member on their listing. In this case, my name is Isa, and I am from UCLA, heading to Paris in the spring of 2026. So I put my destination and my search dates for my 3 months that I need to be in Paris. And I'll see a few different listings. I mean, they all look wonderful, and I can apply filters as I need to. But if I want to just contact another member, I'll go to her listing, contact here, and write a little bit of information about myself, the dates I'm interested in going, and why the listing looks like a good fit for me. I might send messages to 4 or 5 different listings in these search results, exchange messages to figure out if we might be a good fit. But once I find one that seems kind of promising, the two of us would exchange information outside of Sabbatical Homes and schedule a video call for a chemistry check and to be able to see the listing visually on a video. We provide a lot of guidelines and resources in our blog for this kind of thing, and also some guidelines on how to check references, contracts that you can download and customize as you document your agreement, and even ways to make safe payments for your rental payments that will be outside of the site. Once you've come up with your contract and maybe made a security deposit or accepted a security deposit, when it's time to start the stay, you would also go into your messages to announce the match. This isn't the same member, but say I rented Morgan's flat, I would announce the match here. Later on, I might also post my review here. The communication doesn't exactly stop there because people are often in contact during the stay, and you might even find that you have found a lifelong friend. Why should you choose Sabbatical Homes? First, you're joining a community of people who value scholarship and higher education. Next, this is a trusted network with over 25 years of experience serving academics worldwide. In addition, our pricing is straightforward. Flat fees for listings and matches with no hidden charges, percentages, or commissions. And last, it is incredibly flexible. With an average stay of about 3 months, our platform helps you find a tenant or home that fits your timing. Ready to get started? Visit SabbaticalHomes.com today and join thousands of academics who have successfully found temporary housing solutions with our platform. Have questions? Refer to our frequently asked questions, search the resources section of our blog, or go to contact us on the website and reach out directly. Welcome to the Sabbatical Homes community.